Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode of HVAC Education Hub. In this episode, we will cover room heat loss. After last video where we explained total heat loss in building and how to calculate it, today we'll go step by step in room heat loss. So here is example of one room. If we have room like this, so this wall is outer wall with one window. This wall is also outer wall, and this wall is inner wall. We'll cover this later. So we have dimensions, how big is the room, what is the height, so we can calculate heat loss by each area. Here in table, you can see different variables for each area. So for example, this is room 1, we have floor, windows, external walls, and roof, and we have dimensions. So floor is 4 meter, length, width is 5 meter, so total area is 4 multiplied by 5, it's 20 square meter. Then we have U value. U value is from table, so for well-insulated floor 0.4, for windows, double glazed windows 2.2, external wall is 1, so cavity brick wall, and we have insulated roof, so 0.5. For each area, we have dimensions and we have U value. What is also important, we need design indoor temperature. For example, we want 20 degrees inside, and design temperature, outdoor temperature for this example is -10. So temperature difference between outdoor and indoor is 30 degrees. Then we can calculate heat loss of each area. What is important to know that if we want to cover heat loss of this internal wall, we need to remove area of windows. So we can calculate for windows 2 multiplied by 2, we have heat loss of this, but here you will see that area of wall is not 12, like 4 multiplied by 3, it's 8, because we need to remove windows, and we have area of this wall. And the same is for another wall and for the roof. In total, we have heat loss in this room 1464 watts or 74.7 watts per square meter. If we divide this by 20 square meters, what is the area of this room? What is also important to remember, here is indoor door, and we don't have loss of each of this room because it's the same temperature. So here is 20 and here is also 20. This is internal room. So delta T is 0, we don't have heat loss here. And you need to remember that heat loss is not the same for every day, like we discussed on previous video, because here is design temperature -10. In your case, design temperature will maybe be higher or lower. This is all for today. Hit subscribe button and see you in next video.